Hello kids. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D. A for apple. B for bat. C for cat. A to Z. Let's learn colors name. Green, pink, brown, sky blue, orange, blue, violet, purple, red, black, green and yellow color. Green color. A for apple. B for bat. C for cat. D for duck. E for eagle. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for parrot. Red color. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.